Hi, Ice Cream Gecko here, and today I'm going to show you how to sort of windproof your Esbit folding pocket stove. It's more of an emergency stove in my opinion, but I mean, it's light, it's usable, why not carry it around a few times, and when you're just on a day hike or a day out and want to have something easy to transport and safe to operate, then this is quite good. I use it as an emergency stove though, so I rarely use it. But an issue that this thing has is that it is very susceptible to wind with these Esbit fuel tablets. You still have, if you open it up like this or this, you still will get problems when there's some kind of wind or some kind of move in air anywhere around the pot stand and the pot on top with the fuel tablet right in here. Wind is heavy on it, so you want to keep that out. But I wanted a solution that encloses this little compartment rather than a windscreen that goes around the outside. So I took a look on YouTube, and there were actually people already doing this. This is great. So I took a hairspray can and cut out 2 pieces of metal. Something that people seem to do is they use aluminium cans for this. I don't use an aluminium can. I used an older steel hairspray can, and this works a bit nicer because it is a bit more rigid, because this is not only a windscreen, it's also a support, because when I put heavier pots on here with water in there, a cup of water in a stainless steel mug is not gonna it's not gonna be bad. But the Stanley Cook kit, for example, when you fill that up and put it on here, it really is a bit wobbly, so you want to have a kind of a support for that. And with these stainless steel ones, you certainly have that. It's a bit fiddly to get those things in, that is for sure, but once they are set, everything's in now. Once they are set, you can really put some force on here, and it's not going anywhere because it is, perfectly aligned with those folding walls of the stove itself. It's wonderful. It works like a treat. It's great. And also, the most important thing, it keeps out a lot of the wind. There's enough air coming through the bottom holes here to give enough oxygen to the flame, so you don't need anything going through the sides right here. And with the added benefit of the added stability on this becomes quite a bit more capable of handling tasks that you throw at it. Again, this is more of a backup stove for me, not only because the Esbit tablets are very expensive and they reek, and they make a lot of soot on the pot that is quite hard to get off. At least I find it to be very irritating to remove. Thank you very much for watching. You have been watching Ice Cream Gecko. Thank you and take care. Bye.